Hello, welcome to Profitolizer. Let us guide you through the process of adding a cost forecast under sales services. In Profitolizer, cost forecasts estimate future expenses, helping businesses manage cash flow, plan budgets, analyze profitability, allocate resources, and ensure financial efficiency. The main table displays the cost components and their respective prices over different dates. After logging in, go to Sales and select Cost Forecast. On the Cost Forecast page, you will see a list of component cost forecasts for products or services from the Service and Product page. First, you need to set a price for each component. To do this, double-click the cell next to the component name and enter the unit price. Remember, this price corresponds to the unit defined in the composition. If needed, you can edit the unit by clicking the component name, adjusting the unit as necessary, and then clicking the green button to save. If you want to increase the price of a component starting from a specific month, double-click on the column for that month and set the new price. If the formula is accidentally deleted from a cell, first click this cell, then press the equal sign on the keyboard to reselect and restore the formula, and click the Enter button. Thank you for watching this video.